Have you ever wanted to create a custom navigation with items for logged in users and items for logged out users without having to write custom code or require a fancy custom theme? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with a simple and free plugin. Hey everybody, my name's Joe Casabona, and today I'm going to show you how to use nav menu roles, a plugin I recently discovered thanks to Chris Lemma, to create a single menu, navigation menu, that you can use for both your logged in and your logged out users. So this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it on a local site, and then I'm going to show you how I'm using it on my membership site. But before we dive into that, I do want to ask you to subscribe to this channel. You'll have lots of content just like this, and I do live streams at least once a week, usually on Wednesdays at 11 a.m. Eastern. And if you want to get notified for that, subscribe, click the bell. You'll get a notification when I go live. So thanks so much for doing that in advance. Let's bring up the screen here. And so here is my local site. And like I said, we're going to be using a plugin called Nav Menu Roles. So we'll go to Plugins, Add New. In the search field for this WordPress admin area, I'll search Nav Menu Roles. And this is the plugin by Kathy Darling. So I'll click Install Now, and then I'll click Activate. Now, once activated, we are not going to actually see anything until we go to Appearance Menus. All right, so under Menus, I will click the main menu because that is the main navigation menu for this site. And you can see that we've got 3 menu items here. I can also do this in the customizer, but this gives us more room to play with a little bit here. And when I click on one of the items, we'll see options that were not there before. First, display mode is everyone logged out users or logged in users. And then if I click logged in users, we can even restrict the menu to a specific role. So if there's a page that you go to a lot, or maybe someone on your team goes to a lot, you can add that right on the navigation menu and ensure that if administrator is selected, only admins will see this. So I am going to add 2 pages here. One is the Buy Me Coffee page. And I want to show this only to logged out users. Because presumably those who are logged in are me, or let's say members, people who already pay monthly to be on the page, and I don't want to be hitting them up for coffee. So I will just show this to logged out users. And then let's say I want to see the donor dashboard, right? A place where I can see how many people are buying me coffee. So I'm going to make this for logged in users, and only administrators can see this. Or how about administrators and the Give manager? Since this is a Give WP page, these roles will come into effect as well. So I'll click Save Menu. The menu is saved. We'll go out to the front end. And you can see that we've got just the donor dashboard here. I am logged in as an administrator. If we view this page in incognito mode, you can see that it's only courses, podcasts, and buy me coffee. We don't see the about page either. So maybe we should fix that real quick. So this time we'll do it from the customizer. We'll go to customize, and then we'll go to menus, and we'll click main. This is the main menu. And we'll set this for, you can see the interface basically looks the same here. So we can set it for everyone, or we can set it for only logged out users, and you can see the navigation change in real time here. I'll set this to everybody, have the about page available to everybody, no matter if they're logged in or logged out. And then if we go back to the incognito window and refresh, about shows up here. Perfect. So that is how you use nav menu roles. Again, if we go to customizer, you have a lot of options here. If we click on menus and then a menu, we'll just again pick on the about page. you can set this and have pretty fine-grained control. So you can imagine if you have, let's say, different membership levels that have different types of benefits, you can have roles for each of those people as well. Or if you have people who are on a free account, you can encourage them to upgrade, things like that. But let's stop speculating. Let's actually see how I'm using this on the How I Built It website. And you know what? What we'll actually do here is we'll view this in the customizer so you can see how it's working. So I'll bring myself back up on the screen here for this part so I can explain it to you. So this is the logged in navigation menu. And if I go to menus, top nav, you could see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. I am seeing 5 of them. Home, listen, articles, contact, and account. Home is going to show there for everyone because everyone needs a way to get to the home page. And then you can see I have 2 different listen links here. The first is category, and that's for logged out users. This link is going to take people to the public podcast feed, the free one that shows up in all of the podcast players that anybody can listen to freely. This is the ad-supported version of the show. But there's also a listen series. And you can see this is only for logged in users. This is going to take visitors to the private members only feed that doesn't have ads, that has extended episodes. By the way, if you want to listen to ad-free extended episodes of my podcast, as well as so much more, you can head over to buildsomething.club and sign up for just $5 a month. And then you get to see this lovely version of the navigation as well. So that is for members only. Articles, this is going to show for everyone because I'm doing a lot more written content here. Sponsor, that is shown only to logged out users. Presumably, my members will either know about my sponsorship program if they want to sponsor the podcast, or they're browsing because they want to listen to the members only feed or manage their account, so they don't need to see the sponsor navigation. Contact will show up for everyone. And then this is where the menu diverges once again. So we have the account page, and we're going to show this only to logged in users because this is only relevant if you are already logged in. And then I have a join the club registration page, and that's for logged out users. Again, logged in users are already a part of the club. And so there's one more thing I'm going to do here. I'm going to make this change live, and that is add a link for people to sign in. And so I haven't created a custom page for this yet, so I'm just going to direct them to wp-login.php, and I'll write sign in, and I'll add that to the menu. Once it's added, I'll display it to only logged out users. And I will bump this above the join the club button. So now we'll test this. I'll click publish. And then I will log out here. Now if I go back, we could see the extended navigation. We could see the sign in button. I'll click there and I can log in. So there you have it. That's how Nav User Roles by Kathy Darling works. It is a absolutely fantastic plugin. I'm a huge fan of it. It does exactly what I needed to do. Hopefully it'll do exactly what you need to do as well. Once again, if you liked this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button down below. Subscribe to this channel for more great content. And if you want to see that very special logged in only menu over on How I Built It, you can join the Build Something Club over at buildsomething.club. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, get out there and build something.